Alright, here we go. So, that just came out of my car that I just put in, and now I have no antifreeze. So I don't know where's the freaking, there, god damn it. Alright, okay, so all the antifreeze is coming from like right here. Look, it's all like dripping down, and so like my overflow tank is still hooked up to the hose, so I think I have a crack in the hose. I'm not sure. I need a mobile mechanic ASAP. If anybody is a mobile mechanic, knows one, I need you on the fly within like the next couple hours. I mean, you don't need to rush, but I'm at the car wash here at Tropic Car Wash in O'Galley. I had to pull in here just to like put antifreeze in the car, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it home. So if I blow up my car today, guys, it's not my fault. I was not aware that I had an issue. So, mobile mechanic to me ASAP. Hit me. Please and thank you. Have a wonderful day, y'all.